Friends, today we are breaking down the top 10 most important car parts, what they do, and the symptoms you will notice when they are on the fritz. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to listen for and when to take action. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. So, let's get started. First up, the engine, the heart of your car. Without it, you are going nowhere fast. In most cars, the engine is located at the front under the hood in an area called the engine bay. However, some cars like high-performance vehicles can have mid-engine or rear-engine layouts. Symptoms of engine trouble. Check engine light comes on, strange noises, knocking, ticking or grinding, smoke or strange smells from the exhaust. If your engine's acting up, don't wait, get it checked out before it leaves you stranded. Next, we have the transmission. This is what transfers power from the engine to the wheels, and trust me, you don't want this to fail. Friends, the transmission located under the hood as part of the drivetrain and partly underneath the engine. Symptoms of transmission trouble: difficulty shifting gears, slipping gears or delayed acceleration, burning smell or leaking fluid. If your car feels like it's struggling to shift, it's time to give your transmission some love. Number 3. The brakes. These are your car's most important safety feature. If they fail, you're in big trouble. In most cars, the front two wheels have a braking apparatus that depend on rotors, metallic discs found behind each wheel. Above each of these is a clamp-like device called the caliper. Symptoms of brake trouble: squeaking or grinding noises, spongy or unresponsive brake pedal, vibrations when braking. If your brakes feel off, don't risk it. Get them checked immediately. Alright, number 4 is the battery. This little box of power is what gets your car started and keeps all the electronics running. In most car, truck and RV models, you will find the battery under the hood in one of the front corners. Symptoms of a failing battery: slow engine crank or difficulty starting, dim headlights or flickering dashboard lights, corrosion on the battery terminals. If your car's acting like it's too tired to start, it might be time for a new battery. Number 5. The alternator. This part keeps your battery charged while you drive. The car alternator is typically located at the front of the engine, often near the top or bottom, and is bolted to the engine by the drive belt. Symptoms of a bad alternator: dead battery even after a jump start, electrical issues like flickering lights or power windows not working, strange whining or grinding noises. If your car's electrical system is acting up, the alternator might be to blame. Next up, the tires. These are the only part of your car that actually touches the road, so they're kind of a big deal. Symptoms of tire trouble: uneven tread wear, frequent flats or low pressure, vibrations or pulling to one side while driving. If your tires are looking worn or your ride feels bumpy, it's time for a checkup. Number 7. The suspension system. This is what keeps your ride smooth and comfortable. The suspension components on a car chassis placed around the car body with the wheels. Symptoms of suspension trouble: bumpy or rough ride, leaning to one side or sagging, uneven tire wear. If your car feels like a roller coaster, your suspension might need some attention. Alright, number 8 is the radiator. This part keeps your engine cool, and trust me, an overheated engine is no joke. A car radiator is typically located at the front of the engine bay, just behind the vehicle's grille. Symptoms of radiator trouble: overheating engine, coolant leaks or puddles under your car, sweet smell from the engine. If your temperature gauge is in the red, pull over and check your radiator. Number 9. The exhaust system. This is what keeps your car running quietly and cleanly. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. Symptoms of exhaust trouble: loud rumbling or hissing noises, decreased fuel efficiency, strong smell of exhaust fumes. If your car sounds like a monster truck, it's time to check the exhaust. Last but not least, the fuel system. This is what delivers fuel to your engine to keep it running. In most modern vehicles, the fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank, which is typically at the rear of the vehicle, beneath the trunk or cargo area. Symptoms of fuel system trouble: difficulty starting the car, poor acceleration or engine sputtering, decreased fuel efficiency. If your car's acting like it's on a fuel strike, your fuel system might need some TLC. And there you have it, my friends. The top 10 most important car parts and the symptoms you'll notice when they start to fail. Your car is a complex machine, but knowing these key components can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.